Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence and monetization. One click can lead to hundreds of dollars being made in your bank account. In today's video, I will review a simple yet effective artificial intelligence strategy that can generate good income for you daily or monthly. So stay with me until the end of the video to introduce you to one of the most complete artificial intelligence that does everything. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. There is a wonderful artificial intelligence tool called Super Chat that we are going to use today. It helps you create high quality content quickly and easily. Be a marketer, blogger, content creator, be a business account. Super Chat can help you save time and effort by automating the content creation process. But this artificial intelligence uses the best possible mode. The art of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to generate content based on your specific needs and performance. All you have to do is enter your topic keyword and other relevant information, and Super Chat will do the rest. This super versatile AI will cover your Super Chat when it comes to blog posts, social media updates, products descriptions, or anything else you can think of. Another thing I like about Super Chat is its user-friendly interface. You will find it easy to use. You don't have to be a computer genius to use this powerful tool. But what sets Super Chat apart from other AI writing tools? This is what makes the algorithm and technology better. To ensure you get the best possible results, the support team is dedicated to providing you with the most accurate and quality content possible. So now that you know all about Super Chat, it's time to sign up for the first step, Super Chat. So the first thing is to register in this artificial intelligence. It is very easy, and all you need to do is to create a user book website without the need for complicated installation process. Enter your first name, last name, email and password, and click on register. Therefore, after registration, you can easily use this tool. After entering your dashboard, you can see various things here. In fact, you have a versatile tool at your disposal. You can easily use it to create content, write products, and many other things. That is, you can use it for all social networks. Use this wonderful tool and do many complex projects on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. But what we want to do with this tool is related to the podcast, or if I want to say better, the podcast idea generator. We can easily click search in the box above and click on podcast idea generator. In fact, you can create high quality podcast content quickly and easily with this tool. In today's world, podcasts play a very good role in all businesses. In fact, there are many people who are interested in producing podcasts and you can use this tool and this artificial intelligence to create great podcast content idea produced for podcast creators. The podcast industry is booming with millions of people around the world. There are so many people who listen to podcasts and are busy. In fact, podcast production has become a lucrative industry, but with so many podcasts out there, it can be difficult to stand out from the crowd and create content. Where Super Chat's podcast episode idea generator comes in is a brand new AI feature designed to help you generate ideas for podcast episodes based on your niche and target audience. So, as I said before, after we select the podcast idea, we click the method, and here you can enter information about your podcast, such as target audience and more. In fact, Super Chat does the rest simply. One of the great things about the crafting tool is its versatility, which can help you come up with ideas for interviews, panel discussions, critique episodes, and more. Whether you're new to the podcasting or new to podcast, this tool can help you create engaging and informative content that your audience will love. Another advantage of the podcast widget is that it's incredibly easy use, and you don't need to be tech expert to use it. Simply enter your information and let the AI do the rest. This tool is a quick and easy way to get ideas for your podcast without spending hours on brainstorming and research. But in order to generate income from the ideas that this artificial intelligence tool create for us, we can act as a freelancer, for example, by creating a gig on the Fiverr site. Here you can, as a product creator, to other help to produce very attractive podcasts. If this site is difficult for you, you can use other sites and other methods of freelancing. But to start, you must register on the Fiverr site and sell your project in the sales section. In fact, this is a great place to pitch your podcast episode ideas, especially if you want to reach a large audience and earn more money. And the best part is that you can super chat with the AI writing tool for create amazing description and title for your gig to get started. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.